everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ejin Sempoy. Today is an exciting day because we're unboxing the brand new MacBook Pro M4. I just bought this directly from the Apple website, and it took around 5 working days to arrive at my doorstep from Singapore. I've upgraded from the 2018 MacBook Pro 15-inch with an Intel chip, so I'll also share the differences between these two generations. Let's jump right in. Apple has packed some serious power into this beast, and I can't wait to dive into the specs, the design, and most importantly, how it feels to actually use it. Let's get started. As usual, Apple's packaging is as premium as the device itself. The box feels sturdy, with that sleek and minimalist Apple aesthetic. On the front, we've got the front profile of the MacBook Pro, a subtle hint of the power inside. You can't help but feel excited unboxing this. All right, let's peel off the box wrap. That satisfying sound, you know what I mean. Wow, this already feels like a big step up from my 2018 MacBook Pro. Here we go, the moment of truth. And there it is, the 14-inch MacBook Pro, sitting beautifully in its box. Carefully lifting the MacBook Pro out. It's surprisingly compact compared to my 15-inch 2018 model. It feels lighter, but it still has that solid premium build you expect from Apple. But before we dive into the laptop, let's take a look at what else is inside the box. Inside the box, we also get the 70-watt USB-C power adapter, a braided MagSafe 3 cable, and the usual documentation. I really appreciate the braided design. It feels more durable compared to the older plastic cables. No stickers this time, though. The MacBook Pro feels surprisingly compact for such a powerful machine. All right, now let's focus on the main event. Removing the protective cover. And there it is. The space black finish looks just as sleek as ever, professional and clean. Around the sides, we have a solid selection of ports. 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, an SDXC card slot, a headphone jack, and of course the MagSafe 3 port. This is a huge step forward from my 2018 model, which relied heavily on dongles for even the simplest tasks. Opening the lid is smooth and satisfying. The 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is stunning. With ProMotion technology and a peak brightness of 1600 nits, it's miles ahead of the Retina display on my 2018 MacBook Pro. Whether you're editing videos, working on designs, or just watching movies, this screen is an absolute game changer. The Magic Keyboard is a big improvement over the old butterfly keyboard on my previous MacBook. The keys feel tactile, with just the right amount of travel, and the addition of Touch ID makes logging in a breeze. and the Force Touch trackpad is massive, smooth, and incredibly precise. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. This base model comes with a 10-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine, paired with 16 GB of unified memory and a 512 GB SSD. The jump from Intel to Apple Silicon is massive, and I can feel it right away. Perfect for heavy multitasking, video editing, or even 3D rendering. You also get 16 GB of unified memory and a 512 GB SSD, which is fast enough for most workflows. If you're dealing with large files or need more storage, upgrading is always an option, but for me, I will plug in with my 2 TB external SSD. But for most users, this configuration is plenty powerful. Compared to my 2018 Intel MacBook Pro, this M4 model is leagues ahead. The performance is buttery smooth, apps open almost instantly, and multitasking feels seamless. No more fan noise or overheating during heavy tasks. It's quiet and efficient. Even when editing 4K video or running multiple apps, this MacBook Pro doesn't even break a sweat. The difference in performance is night and day. The ports are a huge win for me. Having an SD card slot and HDMI port built in means I no longer have to carry around multiple adapters, something that was a constant hassle with my 2018 MacBook. The 6-speaker system is another major upgrade with force-canceling woofers, delivers a rich, crisp highs, deep bass, and an overall immersive audio experience. Apple has really raised the bar for laptop audio, perfect for video editing or even casual Netflix binges. Battery life is another big jump. Apple claims up to 17 hours of video playback, and I can easily get through a full workday without reaching for the charger. A huge improvement over my Intel MacBook, which needed constant charging. So, was the upgrade worth it? Absolutely. The jump from the 2018 Intel MacBook Pro to the M4 MacBook Pro feels like upgrading to a whole new era of computing. From the performance to the display to the battery life, everything is just so much better. If you're still on an older Intel MacBook, now is the perfect time to upgrade. Whether you're a creator, a developer, or just someone who values speed and efficiency, this MacBook Pro is worth every cent. That's it for today's unboxing and review of the 14-inch MacBook Pro M4. Let me know in the comments, are you planning to upgrade or are you sticking with your current setup? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.